Boys, the reality is that society tells us, yo, you're supposed to be undefeated. You can't cry. You can't be vulnerable. But the truth is, all of us, men in general, have 7 weaknesses that if you can learn how to overcome them, that if you can know how to control them versus them controlling you, my guy, you will be unstoppable. Today, I'm going to show you 7 weaknesses almost every dude has and how to fight them. Let's go. Number 1, not staring at a beautiful woman. Yo, like men are visual creatures, and when you see curves that you like, it's almost like magnetic. Your eye sockets just draw to it, and you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's happened to all of us. Yo, in the gym is probably one of the worst areas for a guy to get tempted like this. In the street, most women are showing all their goods, and your eye sockets can't like fight the urge from not looking. So here's the problem. The problem is that you just look like a dog. The problem is that you look needy, that you look desperate when you get caught staring. The problem isn't that you want to look. Yo, every guy wants to look, but you need to be the difference. See, how to fight this weakness is by taking action. If you like what you see, then grow a pair and actually go over there and initiate a conversation. That's going to separate you from the rest of the dogs that look desperate and a man that actually takes action. Number 2, being a simp. Yo, this is almost like second nature to some, actually not some guys. Let me correct myself. I want to say almost every guy has fallen victim to simpery at least one point in their life, including your own brother. How do you think I know so much? You beg and beg and beg and try and do all these things just to hope that she likes you back. Bro, it's to the point that your mood would change if she would not text you back, and you would get rejected, and you would still keep trying and trying and trying. My guy, this is one of the biggest male weaknesses men have. They don't know how to take back power from the women that they love. So what you need to understand is that until you learn how to stop giving women everything without getting anything in return, you're gonna keep getting used and you're gonna keep getting walked all over. Third weakness are family curses. Look, you as a man should consistently try to be better and better and better, and specifically better than the previous generation that you had. And yes, generational curses are a thing that could be weighing you down, but that's not exactly what I'm talking about when I talk about family curses. I'm mostly talking about genetical curses. For example, did you know that if most men in your family have a history of losing hair, receding hairlines, and balding, you are at a greater risk of following down the same path. You think your boy's gonna sit down on the sidelines and watch his boys just weaken their hairline? Absolutely not, my guy. 2 in 3 men will experience some form of hair loss by the time that they're 35. The men that choose not to let that weakness take over power are the men that are actually gonna keep most of their hair. This is why I talk about our sponsor Keeps so much. See, our sponsor Keeps uses 2 of the only generic FDA approved medications to stop hair loss, in some cases even regrow some of that lost hair. The difference is that they offer it to you at one of the most affordable prices ever. This is why they have more 5-star reviews than all of their competitors. See, here's the thing. I would understand how your dad or even your grandpa maybe didn't do anything about this curse or this weakness because it was complicated. Yo, you had to make an appointment, go to the doctor's office, schedule an annoying, awkward visit, then you would have to go pick up the medication. It was a whole hassle. I can see why most men just let it happen. You don't have to do that. See, today, it's easier than ever with Keeps. Keeps is trying to revolutionize this to the point that it's easy. You can do it from the comfort of your home. You don't never have to leave. See, if you click the link down below and you go through the whole process, a physician's gonna take a look at your case, and based on your case, they're gonna be able to prescribe the medication that you need all through the computer. You never have to schedule a visit, and then everything's gonna get delivered to your door, so you don't even have to go to the pharmacy and pick it up. It is easier than ever. So if you or any of the guys around you, your buddy, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, your dad, want to stop that weakness and stop losing hair, I want you guys to go to keeps.com/TMF or click the link down below. You're going to have a limited time special offer just for you guys, and here's the reality, boys. It's affordable. It's easy, so there is no reason why you shouldn't start today and keep as much hair as possible. impossible. If you guys want to check out Keeps, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, the love of money. Yo, men fall down this trap so quickly. See, we are taught and bred to understand that we need to be providers. So what ends up happening is that we fall into this obsessive love of money, which ends up making you do twisted, greedy, and messed up things. Yo, did you just see the whole scam that happened with those influencers with that fake cryptocurrency? For a measly, I think it was a 30-40K, they were scamming their own audience just to get that quick buck, which, believe it or not, those scams are going all over the place. I have been hit up multiple times to pump cryptocurrencies, and I just ignore them because in my mind, I'm like, yo, I don't even know what the hell this is. See, the problem is most men, when they fall into that love of money, they get greedy. Then they start doing stupid things, and the problem then becomes that the actions that you take will take you to a quick rise, but the downfall will be quicker, not to mention all the people that you're gonna hurt around you. Look, making money, that's a great thing, and you should want to try to make more money, but you should enjoy the process. You should enjoy who you have to become to be able to earn more. I've said it multiple times. I have multiple goals, and I don't need all that extra money, but I love the process of having to think creatively, of having to think outside the box, of having to create a new service or product, something that can help people, where I'm solving a problem while also thinking outside the box, being able to solve problems to be able to get to that new level and increase my personal net worth. So enjoy the process more so than enjoying the money. That way you don't fall down that greedy trap. Number 5, making excuses. This is the best and probably the only way for most people to just explain away why they're not where they want to be. See, you'll blame your height, your attractiveness, or how you look, your color of your skin, your upbringing, your parents, where you live, how poor you were. See, you're gonna blame everything and anything other than yourself. See, the list is long and wide, and many of them are commonly accepted by most people, and they just make sense in your life, so you'll just adopt them into your personal life and just brush it off and say, well, it's because of this that I'm not here. See, excuses are the biggest weakness a man can have, because they will literally mentally stop you, because you can do anything you want, but you don't want to because the work is not easy. Number 6, making the first move. Yes, boys, yes. Women want equality. We're more equal than we have ever been, but there is still one thing women want men to do, and it's approach first. They want us to make the first move. They want all accountability to be on us, and if we get rejected, we're the ones that take the hit, not them. And this is normal. Here's the thing. You're going to have to do it sooner or later, but most men can't get the courage to do it. So I'm going to give you a personal trick. I've shared this before, but it's called the 3-second rule. It's super easy. See, the next time you see those curves that got you looking, that got you magnetically staring, I want you to count to 3. Don't overthink it. Don't think about how she's going to reject you. Don't think about if she has a boyfriend or not. Don't think about how she could be prettier than you. All I want you to do is, you see curves, literally go 1, 2, 3, go. That's it. See, that's going to get you trained to, as soon as you see something, you go for it. And finally, the 7th weakness most men have are their calves. Yo, look, like, I'm not joking. What's going on with calves? Your boy's actually putting in weight and training legs, but those suckers do not grow. It's supposed to be hot boy summer, but our calves are looking like chicken legs. My guy, I don't know if it's you, but that's one area that it just ain't growing. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 weaknesses most men have and how you can overcome them. That's it for your boy. See you next time.